So in order for our garden to be successful, there are certain concepts that we want to master. So once you master these concepts, then your garden can be easy, fun, and productive. So the concept that I want to talk about today is composting. So composting is the basis for organic gardens. So our compost pile is the heart and soul of our vegetable production here on the farm. And the compost pile turns waste into a useful fertilizer supply for the garden, and it also provides the necessary microbes for the plants so they can live up to their full genetic potential. So compost is the magic ingredient that makes organic gardens so special. So learning to make compost is one of the garden skills that really brings success to the garden. So what I love about my compost pile is that it provides the nutrients so we can grow the plants in perpetuity, so we don't have to rely on outside sources for nutrients. So if you've not learned how to make great compost, then it's time to learn. And then once you learn, then keep practicing so that you become really proficient at it. A great place to start is an article on our website, thelivingfarm.org/project-compost-magic. You can go read that article. And if you want a nutrient test that you can do at home for your compost that you either make or you buy, we have a free video training lesson on our website at thelivingfarm.org/simple-garden-compost-test. We'll put those names on the screen for you. So I encourage you to learn how to make compost and then learn how to run your garden with mostly compost. So this is a really great way to create sustainability in your garden. So if you would like to learn more about high-performance gardening and the garden concepts to lead to garden success, go ahead and go to our website, thelivingfarm.org, and there's articles, videos, and e-courses that can help you on your way to garden success.
If you want to learn how to grow $2,500 worth of organic produce with only a 15-minute-a-day commitment, sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. There are hundreds of episodes chock full of my best gardening secrets that I have learned over the last 3 decades. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. It's free and online. Also, if you want to join the premier online community of people who grow food, medicine, and build resilient communities, join us today at thegrownetwork.com. Thanks so much for watching. May your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.